I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select Telegram. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want to get the bot API key. Please visit your Telegram bot father. Copy the token and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Select Chat List. Map the respective fields. You can attach file also. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Telegram. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now let's go to the Telegram. Here is the data that came into Telegram through the integration. Thanks for watching.